What is going on, guys? Today I'm doing a Rebel Clash battle box. Next video I'm gonna be opening up these Funko Pops. So yeah, let's get to it. Before I forget though, if you guys are having a good day, leave a thumbs up. If you guys having a bad day, leave a thumbs down and let me know why in the comment section below. I'm always here for, just to hear you guys out. So feel free to comment, do what you guys do. If you guys here for the codes, just skip ahead because first come first serve. Do your thing. But yeah, let's get this. This is the first ever box that I ever got, to be honest. Well, I know you guys don't like me tearing it open, but let's go from the side. Alright, yeah, I'm gonna tear it open. my bad. Let's get all these packs out. It comes with 4 packs, comes with the deck. A guide. Alright. First of all, let's open up this. Let's not struggle like last time. Let's actually open it. Some tijeras. Alright. Well, here's the first code. Make sure you guys are fast. Alright. We have Colasa. We have Carco. We have Roly Coly. Trainer Quickball. Trainer Milo. Trainer Dan. Trainer Professor Research. Barboach. We have Wish Cash. We have Energy, Speed Energy. Trainer card Milo. Trainer Dan. Shinx. We have 3 Shinx. We have Luxio. 3 Luxios. And we have Luxury. Or Luxray. I said Luxury. Alright. Luxray, guys. My bad. Let me get a sleeve for. Just in case we pack something good. I have the black ones. Normal. You guys need to teach me what, if they're hollows, like, I don't know. I need to get good at this, But let's get to this. Put this aside. Alright. Put this on top where the packs are. Put the packs down. First pack, guys. I don't even want to guess the name of them in the front of the pack. I'm gonna get ripped in the comments if I do. Alright. I don't even know what the pattern is. My bad, guys. I'm really a noob at this. I just did 3. Alright. We have Hattern. You have Carco. Beware. Lotad. Clarify. Voltorb. Growlithe. You have Drippy. Butterfree. It's a little. Another Butterfree. And we have Energy card. Steel, I believe. Alright. Hopefully you guys enjoy this type of videos. Hopefully the codes are useful for you guys. Feel free to subscribe, but don't feel obligated to do so, as always. Your choice. Well, I kind of just messed up the whole thing. Alright. Let's still do it. Might as well. 1, 2, 3. Alright, I think I'm gonna do 4. Alright. Energy type water. Palo Sand. Trainer Milo. Oh, I just dropped one. Trainer Field Stadium. Skywit. Snover. Not 2. We have Trubbish. Energy card. And we also have Grimmsnarl. Yeah, I don't really know how to say most of these people's names, most of these Pokemon names, but we'll get there. One day I'm not even gonna have to look at their actual names. I'm just gonna, go through them like nothing. For now, I'm still that rookie. Don't you forget it. I was like, I knew I was missing one. I was like, I didn't just put 3 here for nothing. If I could just slowly but surely. Alright, we'll put these on the top. We'll move this on the side. Last 2 packs right here. Alright. Now I'm gonna leave this one last. I don't know. I'm feeling lucky with this one. Let's go with this. Second to last code. Make sure you guys are fast. Feel free to pause. Feel free to do what you had to do. E4. It was 4, right? Yeah, it was 4. Alright. Energy card, Psychic. We have Lombre. We have Halucha. We have Indiri. We have Helitile. We have another Voltorb. We have Sandygast, Vulpix, Coughing, Magikarp, and Magmotor. The Magikarp is... What is this, guys? In the comment section below, please let me know. Inform me. Hollow, I don't know. I just want to be educated, Educated. We're on to our last pack. The pack that I said I feel lucky about. Let's see if it pays off. Alright. Let's get to it. Oh no. How do I keep missing that? Last code, guys. Make sure to be fast. 4. Alright. Last pack. Hopefully something good. Trainer Skyla. Luxio. Dracloak. Yeah, Dracloak. Snover. Benikill. Darmuka. Vulpix. Melsery. Hopefully I'm saying most of these right. I know I'm not saying a lot of them, but we have Palo Sand. We have a Gyarados. I'm happy with that. Gyarados, one of the original people. We also have an energy card Fire. but that's not important right now. Gyarados, like I was saying, one of the first Pokemon I've evolved, and back in the Game Boy days, you know. But yeah, brings me back to those good old memories. If you guys want me to do gameplays or something on the channel, let me know. I have Jump Force, which I don't know, a lot of people like, but I'll do a gameplay walkthrough to it. You guys just let me know. This is what I pulled on today. Hopefully you guys enjoy this video. Take care and peace out, guys.